Okay, welcome to my comprehensive guide on how to download and install OBS Teams. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced content creator, OBS Teams are an excellent way to enhance the visual appeal of your live streams and recordings. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I will walk you through the processes of finding, downloading, and installing OBS Teams so you can customize your stream setup to match your unique style. Without wasting much of your time, let's roll the intro. So what you have to do is to go to your browser and type OBS Team and then click on enter. Then this is where you can find the teams or Teams forum. Go there. Okay, so this is where you can find the OBS Teams. All these teams are free to download. You will pay nothing. They are all free teams to download. So I'm going to show you how to download and then install them. So with these ones, the ones that I have here, I'll put the link to it in the description below so that you can download them without looking them up here. So after downloading the theme, this is what you will get. Let's extract the theme. Click on it, extract. And then the password is Zion Tech 1. Okay, so after extracting, this is what you can find in the folder. Okay, yes, and then after extracting the downloaded themes, these are the themes available in the folder for you to install so that you can get these colors, so that you can get all these colors. Okay, after that, extract them one after the other. Okay, I'm not going to extract all, but I'm going to do a few. First of all, after extracting, you see I have extracted two of them. So you double click and then you copy the extracted theme. Right click, copy them, and then come back to your drive C, and go to programs file. That is where your installation folder is, and then locate OBS. Okay, this is OBS. Double click, come back to data, and then go to OBS Studio, and this is Teams. So you open the Teams and then paste in the teams that we just copied. Paste them here, paste it. Okay, so this is it. The name is cool guy. Yes, cool guy. Let's install the other one. Okay, let's go for the DaVinci Resolve one. Okay, double click, copy that, copy, come back, paste it, and then boom. But please, before you install the theme, make sure to close your OBS. I didn't do that, sorry, but make sure to close your OBS when it is running. Close it before you install the theme. So let's launch it and see the themes that we installed. Okay, so after closing the OBS and then relaunching it, let's check it. Okay, this is where the theme is, general theme, and then see DaVinci Resolve and the other one. So DaVinci Resolve, and boom, wow. Let's check the other one. That is the cool guy. Boom. Okay, so it's as easy as that. God bless you for watching this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please be sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on my next upload. God bless you for watching. Please out.